Sir, the conversation's over. You can complain to the chief of police. That's not a problem. You can go to court and complain to the judge. That is not a problem. You simply were driving too fast. Okay, conversation's over. I'd like you to close the door and go ahead and proceed on your way. That's the safest way to proceed, okay? Conversation's over.
Okay.
Okay, have a better day. Be careful pulling out, okay?
Talk about getting up in your grill and then some. Right there, police dash cam video in Illinois shows how one angry motorist answered the police call to pull over. The 71-year-old driver throwing his car in reverse, as you saw, and then crashing it right on top of the officer's car. Well, he ended up with a $200 fine in order to attend a defensive driving class.
Turn the car off. Turn the car off. What's up? Turn the car off.